for homicides, suicides, and unintended deaths. They also clean up hoarders' homes and now the contaminated meth labs. That's Iowa CTS cleaners. Introducing first, fighting out the blue corner, this fighter hails from Scranton, Iowa. He's a freestyle fighter, fighting for American Image MMA. He stands 5'9". He weighed in at 152.6 pounds. He has a professional record of 5 wins and 2 losses. They call him the Psycho, John Millen. There's a opponent standing across the cage. He hails from Australia by way of Des Moines, Iowa. He's a freestyle fighter. He's fighting for Team Outkick MMA. He stands 5'9". He weighed in at 160.6 pounds. He has a professional record of 11 wins and 6 losses. Ladies and gentlemen, Paul Ladies and gentlemen, your winner at the mark of 35 seconds in the very first round, tap out due to strikes, makes